The Toyota Land Cruiser 300 has dominated the luxury off-road SUV segment. But now, a new contender is preparing to challenge its throne, the next-generation Nissan Patrol. And honestly, this might be the most powerful Patrol ever built. Under the hood, things are changing in a big way. The luxurious sibling of the Patrol, the Infiniti QX80, will introduce a completely new 3.5-litre twin-turbo V6 engine, replacing the old 5.6-litre naturally aspirated V8. And while many people love the sound of a big V8, this new engine actually delivers more performance. The new twin-turbo V6 produces an impressive 335 kilowatts of power, which is 37 kW more than the current Patrol. V8 torque has also increased dramatically, reaching 698 N, giving this SUV incredible pulling power. When compared with the Toyota Land Cruiser 300, the numbers become even more interesting. The new Patrol-based engine produces 108 kW more power, although the Land Cruiser still has a tiny advantage of just 2 Nm in torque. Even the luxury Lexus LX600 falls slightly behind, offering 30 kW less power and 15 Nm less torque than this new powerhouse. But performance upgrades don't stop at the engine. The next-generation Patrol will also receive a new 9-speed automatic transmission, replacing the older 7-speed gearbox. This wider gear ratio will improve acceleration, fuel efficiency, and overall driving smoothness, making the SUV feel more responsive both on highways and off-road trails. The engine itself carries the codename VR35DDT, which suggests it's an evolved version of the VR30DDT engine used in the Nissan Z sports car. So essentially, this huge luxury SUV is borrowing performance DNA from a sports car. Inside the cabin, things are becoming even more premium. The new Infiniti QX80 will feature adaptive air suspension and advanced dampers, which will significantly improve ride comfort and reduce cabin noise. Engineers have also increased the vehicle's torsional rigidity, meaning the structure is stronger and more stable than before. In terms of design, the upcoming model was previewed by the Infiniti UX monograph concept revealed in 2023.